Welcome back, all you awesome people. Today, I'm going to talk about the nature of success. The nature of success, what actually success means, and how it is totally different from the worldly success. What success means in the nature of truly successful people, in the life of truly successful people, and how they practice it daily, relentlessly, which actually makes them successful in the first place. So, let's start. Number one, kindness is the gift all successful people give to themselves on a daily basis. Kindness. We all go through valleys of life. Sometimes we go to highs, sometimes we go through lows. And those things teach a lot about ourselves, about what we are made up of. But no matter what, we must and we always must choose to be kind. Even when someone is getting angry at us, even when we are totally correct and someone else is totally wrong, being kind is always a choice. And that is one of the most important ingredients of success, because if we are not kind, we are angry, and then we are letting anyone else take the remote control of our life, of our mood, of our happiness. That should not be the case. Happiness is an internal thing. It is something which is your internal eternal nature, and exercising it, being kind, being happy under all circumstances does not mean you have to be dancing and joyful even when there is darkness in your life. But you can choose to be happy, choose to be grateful when something less pleasant is going in your life, and that is a choice. That is a choice that every successful person makes, not when they become successful, when they are starting over, because they know that kindness is the gift they will give to themselves before giving it to anyone else. Quality number two, or nature number two of successful people, is family is most important. Yes, doing awesome work is super important. Performing legendary in your work is super important, and so is family. As in Tuesdays with Maury, the great book by Mitch Albom, the book says that people may come and people may go, but there is always someone who will stay back, who will not go. That is the role of family in our lives. And ultimately, what all we are working, what all great mountains we are climbing, they all are of no use without fulfillment that we gain from our family. It is super important to devote special time to your family without the notifications popping up in your cell phone. And doing so will make you better in your work, will make you more awesome in your work, and will make you more energized, more inspired to do great work, because you have a greater purpose, you have a greater human connection to your family that will prosper in your work as well. So all successful people have this habit in common, that they devote super special time to their families. That does not mean they get away from their work. That does not mean get they do not get immersed in their work. That simply means that they are totally immersed in their family as well when they are spending time with their families. And that's what we all must do in order to become super successful in our lives. Number three, the third quality or the third nature of successful people is that there's great power in doing the task that is designed to be done today. That means we should not procrastinate on the task that we could do today to be done tomorrow. Success in life, happiness in life, greatness in life is like a monument which never stops getting built till the time we die. And the days we procrastinate, the days we leave the work that we were supposed to do, ultimately are the greatness, are the great floors in our awesome building of success that we didn't make. That will lead to our building getting less grand, less successful, less impactful, and we don't want to do that with our lives. And as Aristotle says, that we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, it's a habit. And so is procrastination. So is falling prey to less than awesome. So is falling prey to failure. Success and failure don't just show up. They are just a result. They are just a byproduct of daily consequential habits. And if we want success, so should be our habits. So should be our tasks done today, which are to be done today. And if it's not difficult, it's not change. If it's not difficult, it's not success. If it is not difficult, it is not excellence. If world class was easy, everyone would be doing it. And since everyone is not doing, we are doing it. So it's our responsibility to do world class work every single day, because we want to change the world through our acts. We want to change the world by our occurrence, and that will be done when we take our power every day back to us by doing the task that we have designed for ourselves to be done. This is what will make us more powerful. Fourth attribute or fourth nature of all successful people is the power to let go. Means as we grow in our life, as we become more successful in life, as we climb super mountains that we had decided for ourselves, people will know us more. And as more people will know us, more people are going to hate us, more people are going to dislike us. And as successful people in this world, we all must let go of the mistakes of other people. That does not mean we condone what they did. That does not mean that we accept what all they did, which was totally unacceptable. That simply means that we let go of the burden that we carry on our shoulders. And as Buddha said, forgive everyone, because everyone you meet is finding a difficult battle. We do not know. They might be having a disabled parent or disabled child at home. They might be having a surgery the next day. They might be having a financial crisis in their personal life. We do not know what pain they are going through. And even if they are not going through any pain, there might be some spiritual understanding that that human being wants in their life, that human being needs in their life, and that's why they are being unkind. So what can we do to help such people? Just let go. That does not mean we are accepting them. I'm repeating again. That simply means that we are accepting our success as a bigger alternative, and forgiving the roadblocks that will be in our way to success if we do not forgive them, if we do not let go of people. It is simply out of a fork of success and heavy weight on our shoulders, we are taking the road of success, and that's what every great person does. Right? Fifth one, and probably the most important one, is not to be distracted by your success. Which means that once you set a goal, once you achieve that goal, it's time to party, it's time to celebrate, it's time to enjoy the summit that you have climbed, and it's time to have a break. Once you have had that break, it's very important to give yourself a bigger goal. It's very important because it is important for your growth. Goals are ensuring our growth. Goals are ensuring the great human being that we are becoming in the process. And if we do not give ourselves some bigger goals, soon we'll retire and we'll get tired and we'll die. Not because we have achieved a certain age, but because we have not given ourselves so worthy goals that will lead to our fulfillment, that will lead to our happiness, and that will keep us engaged in the worthy pursuits of life, instead of going and sitting at home waiting and doing nothing. No judgment towards people who do this, but a great human being, a fulfilled human being, is the one who is always having a purpose bigger than themselves, because it makes them come alive. That is what we all are looking for in this world, right? I hope all these ideas, all these 5 natures of success that the world does not know, that the world does not regard as important, but are super important in the lives of every successful person, might have helped you out. And if you loved it, do share it with your friends, and together we'll make a world better. Bye bye, all the awesomeness from my side to you. May you keep super shining, and take care.